Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can find your Facebook user ID. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. So let's open up the Facebook app, tap on the menu icon and then tap on the setting gear. Now scroll a little down and here you can see apps and websites. Now here you can see view removed apps and websites. But you can also see you don't have any apps or websites to review. As I don't have any app or websites to review, so I can't be able to open this. But if you guys have your websites or apps, so you can tap on view removed apps and websites, and then you will be able to see them. So this is how you can easily find your Facebook user ID. And guys, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future.